Nigerian TV. Nigerian TV.
Welcome to DJMTV News Update for the week. I am Umaru Latifa. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJMTV and also click on the notification bell for more superb videos.
DJN TV.
So my name is Tommy Asemuta, Chief Executive, NAT Limited, the furniture manufacturing company. I want to commend the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, for his tremendous help in reviving our factory. Our factory was closed down for about 4 years. The governor visited the factory while I was away in Switzerland. For more than 40 years that our factory has been running, we have never
My name is Atiku Edo, and I support the good people of Edo State. Nigeria needs credible elections and vibrant electorates. I'm here to speak to the great people of Edo State. My dear Edolites, the Benis, Esakos, Essans, Owans, and Akoko Edos, the Igbira-speaking communities in Akoko Edo, the Ijo-Izons, the Urubos, and the Ishekiri communities in Ovia Northeast and Southwest local government areas, especially in the borderlands. The Ekpaheri and MI clans and the Ika-speaking communities in Ekbanke, Oyeovon, LGA. One of Nigeria's most reputable attributes are of the brave and indelible contributions of the Benin Kingdom to the world is their historically rich cultural artifacts, and above all, the peace and serenity that came with their civilization. That peace must not be forgotten or allowed to be tarnished by those who gain only from incurable incitements of rancor, hate, and violence. I believe in education as the moral and social upbringing of children to make them cultured and members of the society. Godwin Obaseki and Philip Shaibu launched the Edo Basic Education Transformation Program, an initiative to train and equip public school teachers with top-of-the-range expertise, skills for deploying information and communication technologies in classroom to improve learning. They have also pioneered a state-backed health insurance scheme to provide a robust sector that will attract private investors. They are also creating industries for youth employment. On September 19, 2020, the Edo people have a clear choice to vote for continuation of development as against godfatherism and all attempts to impose people. Most importantly, keeping the bond of peace and stability is not negotiable. I call on INEC to resist any pressure that undermines its neutrality, and the Nigeria police to safeguard and protect the people as they go out to vote. Finally, I call on the Edo people in all the 18 local government areas and 193 wards to come out en masse on the 19th of September 2020 and vote for Obaseki and Shaibu of the People's Democratic Party and ensure a sustainable future. PDP, power to the people. I am Atiku Abubakar and I endorse this message. Thank you. God bless you.
DJ TV.
Good day, my people, Edolites, round the world. When they support Governor Obaseki every day, I say thank you to you all. Yes, so keep the fire burning, man. Towagba, it must bar, and we say 4+4 must complete. You see, today I don't get much to say, you understand, but to get some issues that I want really address today, because Ezeyamu for shyness, and they watch him for interview for hard copy, get some things when he gist will really surprise me. So I won't ask those of them who come from Edo, where they stay Benin City, because at the time, yeah, they also nowadays. So a lot of things they when you talk, when some shock me. So maybe I don't know. I make us I can't ask you. I beg you, Edo lies when they stay Edo State. I beg you get anywhere Ezeyamu company they will not know, because I don't know, because I just won't ask if you anywhere they when the company they for Edo where I don't know, because the only thing I know say you get now farm. Now you got the farm, some say plant rice, plant corn, or plant anything. I just fish and one kind fowl matter finish. You'll be like say once people they come buy egg for them. The fowl will the farm not past 5. You know, so don't say plant rice or plant corn or plant one say at the end of the year where they want to invest. They can't go carry one go sell for market. Say they can't say that could take rice, that could they can't say Ziamu rice. I don't want to say I want some. You understand? And the last person who work with that farm said I got to go to my guy. And in the roast yam shop on the farm there, but I say I cannot be paid. Now I run the farm. And if any other thing they when Ezeyamu get for those things they pay 200 workers or 100 workers in a company, I remember not tell me because me I don't know. I did watch some of the others at the guy. They just look and say why this guy they lie like this. I don't know, because even the lawyer say they not get chambers. You know go nowhere chambers. I never see say okay this guy Ezeyamu want chambers or anywhere. So when you go sit down for national TV, they lie. Now this same thing that they ask you now for that channel that watch say which new team Labour Baba know about you now? As you say those ones they don't play. Which new team now? You not see talk the same team when Labour Baba talk about you that you lie. Say you lie where now you still go the channels go they lie. You know if you change. At least as a pastor you should practice what you preach. If not because of here, only you people not going to go church. The national television, they lie. What do you call who paying passes? You know, you say you don't see anything good about Obaseki we don't do. Say you never see anything. Pastor, why now? Why? At least good or bad, that Ugbo road where they pass, that Ugbo road you have this so at least even if you will forget someone that will far from you, that road really to Amagba. You not see that God Obaseki I do for your Kodokura, we as a chief of staff. That time you say the chief of staff you want to seize for the government. That's your front is so when second road test so where little Amagba. Not the Obaseki, even the back of your house, Obaseki after all those roads. You not see those ones. Before we talk about civil security commission, when you did the government as for staff since they come, you know that's now that go promote that civil you're not say it be now. Eh? Why not they do like this save? Ma tell you your biography, be like say you forget. You be pastor, even that pastor say we not do this show at you know, but you were born 1962 in Benin City. You do chief of staff, follow one former governor and SSG. Are they lie? After then, you can't do DG, follow Labour Bobo. Yes, that. Then after that one, you can't go contest as PDP governorship aspirant and defeat you. You know that your biography say you sell rice, or you get farm, or you get one company, or you pay one worker money. You don't forget your biography, Pastor Yamu. I better not call national TV, call the lie for a do light. Now this social media talking about you say they lie too much. You lie too much. It's not good now. They ask you that about the guy ask you say how far. What you supposed to know about you now, the new team? You not see what he talk. The same thing supposed to talk, the same lie. Now you see the lie till today. Pastor is here, my beg change, yeah? Change, yeah? I just go beg you change. I'm not tell you. Ah wow, Pastor. I beg, it's not really lie. This is your lie. See, in fact, the more you lie this lie, the more they put in face. And they go they clean their 50 cents, they vote for Obaseki because you disgrace. In fact, I'm not going to understand. Eh? Why do you do like that too? Yeah, I tell you, stop all this your lie. As a man of God, eh? At least for once, come national TV, talk what you see. Governor Obaseki has finished the project, not deceive yourself. I do not tell you, he must obey me. No good.
DJ LTV.
Obaseki must win.
Only one person, not be everybody. As we speak, what will they do here today? Not be me. Now these people of Igbo community. Now they be the youth mobilizer of this territory. Nobody will be our enemy. People are our friend. But their friends, truth. Not his friend. Oh, my God, Now, Mr. Oscar, you have to address us, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, well done, my people. Now, me, do not be king. As Daisy Oscar. This one, I come on community, now we represent. So, we have the law for Obaseki. So, one vote for them. That be saying I'm out to see my card, see my PDP card. Yeah, we have voters card. See my voters card. 4 + 4. So, you don't already confirm Obaseki, not be lion, we not be tigers, we not be lion. We be eligible voters. We want vote you in. May you continue with the better work when you do. You not be your government Obaseki.
Mr. Osato, who happens to be the speaker emeritus of Igbo community. Now, before you speak, Mr. Speaker, tell them what they do.
People are grateful now. Yeah. We don't talk too much. No. The lions, the tigers. From today.
Nobody will hear you.
The answer where one confirm now, we don't ready. We don't wait for now. Comrade Osatu Williams, speaking.
This is a message to His Excellency Governor Obaseki. The people of Igbo community, if you look at these people here, they are the major youth mobilizer.
Yes,
they love you and they are supporting you. But sir, they are calling for a palliative. Before, we know you come and face this road after elections.
Yes.
But before the elections, we want a renovation to take place here.
Confirm,
more reach the road.
Governor, make it look at the road. Let's go. Take it. Yes, this is Iguemo road. This Dilipara road there, and we go now.
This is the road. If you go down the road, you will see how bad this road is. Obaseki is a great man. Obaseki is a big man. Obaseki is a big man. You're a big man. This road we will address it. I want to tell you, when we are sure Governor Obaseki that Umagba North Ward 5 is going to give him a block vote. We have succeeded retiring Samson Osagi.
Yes, sir.
We have retired Samson Osagi in Umabano. He knows. He said, I'm trying to jump the fence. Chuku. He said, I'm trying to jump the fence. Chuku. You lied on us. Now that is the point. So, my people, this message today is not about me. People.
Yes.
What do you have to tell me?
I will tell you, who want to. I will tell you, who my affair, my way of Obaseki, I want to hold a mirror. Yeah, when you are going anywhere, try to go by run while you ẹ ti tó ka wù wẹ̀gí ọ̀ ẹ̀tẹ́ tó ìyàn kárí ìwé làjẹ́wọ́ wẹ ebèwẹ́ ọ̀gbà ebèwẹ́ náà yẹ pa ni ẹ̀ mà lélẹ̀.
Yóò Obaseki yìí o, yóò ìṣàkóso, yóò wíbẹ̀rù. Yóò Obaseki yìí o, ìṣàkóso, yóò wíbẹ̀rù. Thank you very much, Musa Bolokodi, with members of the Igbo community here present. We have called and we know the governor will act immediately. 4 + 4.
Talk back.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.